In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tasks in Notion. We'll make your workflow smoother and more productive with just a few simple steps, all within the next 5 minutes. Notion is a powerful tool that combines your workspace for wikis, docs, and projects. And understanding how to maximize its task management features can be a game changer. Let's start by directing your attention to your Notion workspace. This is where you have all your projects, documents, and other important information organized. By heading over to your workspace, you're setting the stage for efficient task management. Now, let's log in. This should be simple, as you'll need your account credentials handy. Clicking on the Login button not only gives you access, but also places you right in the heart of your workflow. Once logged in, it's time to go to the Notion home. Think of this home page as the command center where all the magic happens. It's visually designed to guide you seamlessly through your various tasks, projects, and needs. From here, you can dive into the myriad of options Notion provides for organizing your life or work projects. After navigating home, the next step involves the marketplace. Clicking on it opens up a whole new world of possibilities within Notion. It's filled with user-created content and templates that can bring even more flexibility to your task management. Now, imagine you have a library of tools at your fingertips, each designed to tailor-fit different aspects of task management into your existing workflow. With the marketplace before you, the next logical step is to search for resources specifically designed for task management. Use the search bar to enter Task Management, and you'll be greeted with a selection of templates and tools. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking for a structured way to handle multiple tasks, deadlines, or collaborative projects. Once you've searched and found some interesting tools, it's time to select a template. Notion offers a variety of templates, each one crafted to meet different organizational needs. Picking the right template is crucial, because it serves as the framework for how you'll handle tasks moving forward. Take a moment to explore the options and consider what suits your specific requirements best. And there you have it, a quick overview of managing tasks in Notion. By going through these simple steps, navigating your workspace, logging in, heading to Notion Home, exploring the marketplace, searching for task management resources, and selecting a fitting template, you're setting yourself up for better productivity and smoother task management. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!